What's Epson Event Manager and how to use it? Epson Event Manager is a software utility that allows you to customize the functions of the buttons on your Epson scanner. You can assign different actions to each button, such as scanning to a file, scanning to an email, scanning to a cloud service, or scanning to a printer. You can also use Epson Event Manager to scan documents or photos using voice commands with Amazon Alexa. To use Epson Event Manager, you need to download and install it from the official website. Then, you can launch it from the Start menu or the System tray and access the settings. You can configure the button settings, the scan settings, the voice-activated printing settings, and the network settings according to your preferences and needs. You can also check the user manual or the online help for more details and instructions.